Okay, hey guys, so it's the next day. I wanted to update you all because remember yesterday I said that my skin was feeling like it was getting stuck, like kind of feeling like a face mask. That did not happen. So I'm so grateful. My skin got so soft. I was like touching my skin like, oh my gosh, is this even my skin? It felt like a baby's bottom or a baby's foot. Like it just felt so soft and smooth. I was so thankful because my skin has not felt like that in so long. You would have thought I got like a face peel or something. It just felt so good. I should have stopped touching my face because touching your face is really bad for you, but it just felt really soft. I was like, wow, is this my skin? Is this my skin? So I'm very grateful for that. So I want to say right now the rating is going up. The rating is going up. But I was reading the box and it said that you have to reapply the moisturizer every 2 hours. I was like, every 2 hours? I'm not going to reapply it every 2 hours. I was only going to use it night and day. So I hope that it's still effective, you know, to take away acne and dark marks if I don't reapply it every 2 hours, because who reapplies moisturizer on their skin every 2 hours? I don't know. I just feel like if you're out all day, no one's going to remember to, okay, let me go put on some moisturizer. So I just hope it still works. That kind of threw me off that it said you have to reapply it every 2 hours. So that was kind of like, I'm not about to do all that. So, but I hope it still works. And then for the cleanser, it says it also removes makeup. So for tonight, I'm going to put on some makeup and take it off tonight. In Rihanna's video, she did that and it worked perfectly fine, but it's also her video. So she could have easily edited it, made all her makeup look like it came off. We're about to see if it takes off all of my makeup because I want to give you all, the truth. Let's see if this actually works as a makeup remover. So we shall see. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. As you already see, I have the makeup on my face. Now it's gonna be time to take this off. Let's squirt in the total cleanser. I want to put a lot on. Okay, so I have the total cleanser on. I should have put my hair back. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Actually, hold on, Max, my mom to help me put my hair back. Okay, so my mom put my hair back. But soap. Water. I'm lathering it up. And turn off the heat. Ready? Ooh, you see it turning brown? Whew. Okay. I added the brows. I'm always it's turning like brown. I'm gonna rinse my hands off because they just look dirty. Like, yeah, all this brown stuff is going into the sink. Well, foundation does. Going into the sink. I'm not even gonna put more on. I'm just gonna wet my hands like this and keep rubbing it. I'm going to get a towel now because, like I said, it's not gonna work. Like, there's no way I can just wash my face and then like splash it like it's a Neutrogena commercial. Okay, so you all see that it worked. Like, I guess there's still like, there's still some mascara on my eye, but for the most part, everything is off. Eyebrows, eyeshadow, all that's off. Like, usually think about it, when you are using makeup wipes, you have to keep on using makeup wipes, but with this, I just put a lot on and just wash it all off. I think I'm going to do it one more time I'm probably going to do it one more time just to make sure my face is clean, but not too, like, I'm not going to use as much, just to clean it one more time, the actual base coat, instead of just taking off the makeup. I'm going to clean it again to actually clean my face now. But I will say I will definitely rate it a 10 out of 10 because it took off everything. It's hard to take off mascara, and no makeup product, like every makeup product that I have used, or makeup wipes, makeup remover that I have used, it's always a struggle taking off mascara. But for the most part, it's like gone. It doesn't feel clumpy or anything. So even my eyeliner is gone. So everything for the most part is stripped away. So I would say Rihanna did a great job creating this product, the 2-in-1 facial cleanser and makeup remover. Like, my makeup is gone. Like, it's it's gone for the most part. So okay, so I just washed my face again for the second time. I used like this much. I literally used a drop and just scrubbed it. All gone. Mascara is gone. So if you do it, just do one gigantic, like, I guess like the size of a quarter, or maybe 3/4. That's what I did. The size of 2/4. Rub it, and the second time a little bit the size of a pea. You should be perfectly fine. I would definitely say use a washcloth, because as you see, like, you could try and just like try to keep on rinsing it off, but like I said, a washcloth. And as you see, it's all gone, like very much gone. So let's go, Rihanna.